volcanic pools at dawn, cloud hiking by noon, centuries-old wine at sunset. Welcome to Madeira, Europe's crowned paradise jewel. Today we're revealing the 5 reasons this forgotten Portuguese island earned the title World's Leading Island Destination. They call it the Floating Garden, and after seeing what makes this volcanic wonderland special, you'll understand why seasoned travelers try to keep it secret. Fact 1. Natural landscape. First up, Madeira's landscape is Mother Nature flexing all her muscles at once. This volcanic wonderland packs more diverse terrain into 286 square miles than most countries manage in their entirety. The Laurisilva forest, a prehistoric jungle that survived since dinosaurs roamed, now stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site that makes other rainforests look like plant nurseries. The island's crown jewel, the levadas, are 500-year-old irrigation channels carved into mountainsides that double as the world's most spectacular hiking network. Picture walking alongside crystal-clear waterways with 1,000-foot drops on one side and Atlantic panoramas on the other. Just don't Instagram and walk unless you're eager to test Madeira's emergency response times. Think that's impressive? Brace yourself. Madeira's next claim to fame makes those views look like your neighbor's boring vacation slideshow from the local splash pad. Fact 2. Climate. Let's talk about weather perfection. While mainland Europe oscillates between summer meltdowns and winter freezes, Madeira enjoys what meteorologists call an eternal spring climate. Temperatures hover between 64 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. The Goldilocks zone that's never too hot, never too cold, but precisely right. This climate creates botanical magic. The island simultaneously grows tropical bananas alongside temperate strawberries, the agricultural equivalent of having your cake, eating it, and growing more cake from the leftover crumbs. Speaking of perfect Madeiran products, our next island treasure has been intoxicating visitors for over 500 years, and I'm not talking about those views, though they're certainly heady enough. Fact 3. Madeira wine. Madeira wine isn't just a drink, it's liquid history that sailed the globe to reach your glass. Discovered accidentally when wine barrels were heated during sea voyages, today's Madeira is deliberately heated and oxidized, the only fine wine in the world that's essentially cooked to perfection. The result? A virtually indestructible wine that lasts centuries. Bottles from the 1700s remain drinkable today. Thomas Jefferson toasted the Declaration of Independence with it, and Shakespeare referenced it before it was trending. Not bad for a small island side hustle. If you think the wine aged well, wait until you see how Madeira turned death-defying cliffs into Europe's ultimate adventure playground. We hope you've packed your courage. Fact 4. The adventure capital. For an island smaller than New York City, Madeira packs more adrenaline per square mile than anywhere in Europe. Those dramatic landscapes aren't just for postcards, they're playgrounds for thrill seekers. Canyoning down 100-foot waterfalls? Standard. Mountain biking trails that challenge pros? Daily. Coasteering along volcanic cliffs? Obviously. The island even created its own transportation thrill, the Monte Toboggan ride, where locals steer wicker sleds down steep streets at 30 miles per hour. It's the 16th century version of Uber, except your driver wears a straw hat and forgot to install brakes. Think this island paradise requires a trust fund to experience? Our final revelation might have you booking flights before this video ends. Fact 5. Affordability. Despite winning World's Leading Island Destination at the World Travel Awards for 7 consecutive years, Madeira remains surprisingly affordable. We're talking €1 espressos with ocean views, €60 boutique hotel rooms, and 3-course meals with local wine for under €25. Why? Simple. Madeira developed for Portuguese and European travelers, not as a luxury trap for international tourists. The island preserved its authentic pricing while quietly building world-class infrastructure. It's that rare unicorn, a place that's both Instagram worthy and budget friendly in 2025's inflated travel landscape. There you have it. Madeira isn't just another pretty Portuguese island, but a perfect storm of natural beauty, ideal climate, rich culture, adventure, and incredible value. From centuries-old wine above cloud forests to €2 coffees with million-dollar views, this destination delivers exclusive experiences without the exclusive price tag. Consider Madeira before the secret completely explodes. Hit subscribe for more hidden gems, drop a comment with your own island discovery, and remember, the best destinations often hide in plain sight. Safe travels.